Welcome back, guys. It is 10x Gains. Let's get right into it. Here's another one from Cointelegraph. This is new. This came out today, December 4th. It is 9:33 p.m. Trump nominates Paul Atkins to replace Gary Gensler as the SEC chair. And this is so bullish. This is great for Ripple, XRP, and the entire crypto space. This is absolutely fantastic, amazing news. Let's get right into it. The president-elect called Atkins a proven leader for common sense regulations due to his prior experience as an SEC commissioner. President-elect Donald Trump has nominated pro-crypto Paul Atkins to replace Gary Gensler as the new chief of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Oh my goodness gracious. Guys, this is so bullish. This is crazy. In a December 4th announcement, Trump highlighted Atkins' track record and experience as a former SEC commissioner. Trump wrote, "Paul is the CEO and founder of Potomac Global Partners, a risk management consultancy." Blah, blah, blah. Yada, yada, yada. The Trump nomination of a pro-crypto SEC commissioner to replace Gensler was one of Trump's promise to crypto voters during his campaign and a highlight of his keynote address at the Bitcoin 24 conference in Nashville, Tennessee. Despite threats of removal, Gary Gensler doubted down on his anti-crypto rhetoric in November before finally tendering his resignation on November 21st. This is so bullish. This news is absolutely amazing. Guys, what a time to be alive. This is amazing to see Gary Gensler actually stepping down, and we're getting a pro-crypto SEC chairman. We're in 2024. We're going into 2025. Let me know what you think. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. I keep you updated with the latest news. We'll get right into it in the next video, and I'll see you.